Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on my Gautam channel. In this video, we're going to be learning about the Brick Status Light. The Brick Status Light is the light around the buttons of the brick. They can be used to indicate the program status. And the available options for the colors are red, green, and yellow. And now let's open up the tutorial. To do that, click on the Tutorials Robot Educator, then click on Basics Hardware, then you can click on the Brick Status Light. And this is how it will look. See how the colors are changing from yellow, green, and red. And now we can press open to use the Brick Status Light block and to learn a bit more about it. So here we are on the first page. All that is shown here is the objective. And an objective is going to be to use the Ev3 Brick Status Light to indicate program status. So this is going to be an output, and now we can go on to the next page. On step number 2, they build the Ev3 Brick. Basically, what this means is attaching the provided battery pack to the brick. And let's see how they do it. And they basically attach the provided battery pack, and that's it. So now we can move on to the next step. Now page 3 is an interactive animation where you can click the blocks to play them. And so as you can see here, this is the Brick Status Light block, and the values it has is color, and it has pulse, true, or false. Now, color is self-explaining which color to display, but pulse basically means that if the light should blink or should stay on, like not blink and just stay on. And if you do pulse true, it'll like keep flashing on and off. And this is the code for an example. And one thing I noticed here is that there's only a wait block here, but it actually flashes green. That's just a bug. I don't know why that's happening. And yeah, so I'll show you guys the code. I'll show you guys running all these and what these do. So the first is the wait time block, which waits 2 seconds, and because of the bug, it's also flashing green. And next, it goes to the Brick Status Light block, and it sets the color to red, and it doesn't pulse, which basically means that the light just stays on and it doesn't flash. And it keeps doing that for 2 seconds, so the light stays on for 2 seconds. And this is how that looks. Yeah, like that. And then after that, it goes to another Brick Status Light, and the color is orange or yellow. I would say it looks more like yellow, but it's your choice, whatever to call it. And this time it does pulse, which means it keeps flashing, and it does that for 2 seconds. And as you can see, it's flashing. And yeah, so that's basically the code. And now we can go on to the next step. Now, on page 4, we have to recreate the program below, which is the program that was basically an example. And so, first, let's get the wait block, and let's set it to 2 seconds. Next, we can get the Brick Status Light block from the Action tab, and let's set it to red, and make sure it's that false for the pulse, which is basically the flashing. Then we need another wait block, set it to 2. Then we can get another Brick Status Light block. Oh, I got the wrong one. Let's set it to 1, and we can enable the flashing or pulsing, and then we need a last wait 2 seconds block. And there we go. We recreated the program. Now let's go on to the last step. Now, on the 5th and last step, we have to modify it. We have to change the pulse color from orange to green. So, to do that, let's find the color, which is here. Then, we can change it from orange to green. And there we go, guys. We did it. And that's the end of this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you in the next video. And goodbye.